go in there, guys, I'll just cover what you get in one of our TPMS kits. Tire Aware. So basically it's a tyre pressure and temp monitoring system. Can take up to 10 tyres and can be used on cars and caravans, etc. You can use internal or external speakers. So in the kit here, you'll see it's a very easy to use user manual, which will sort of get you set up easily, and the app downloaded. A bit more information here if you need it, and depending on actually what you're doing. And then in this kit here, this is what do we got? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, an 8 sensor kit for a car and a caravan. So we got 8 external sensors here. These are all actually labelled from 1 upwards. 1 is front left. And then we have our repeater, which will normally go in the caravan, and the receiver, which will be plugged into the car. And in here, you've just got a few accessories, such as the extra mounting things for the repeater, some lock nuts, the power cable for the repeater, and then the USB cable here for the receiver. So that is it here.